Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change token in Monopoly Go. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. We want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. So in here is the usual UI that we see on Monopoly Go. So we have the events and other stuff here. So how do we actually change our token? So click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen, and from here you see these options here. So don't you just need to ignore all of those, just go to the My Showroom section, and whenever you click on that, you'll be redirected to the UI here. As you can see, these are all the tokens that you have available right now. So as you can increase your network, you'll be able to unlock tokens. So if you're in lower levels, you won't have the option to change them, but as you progress, you'll be able to unlock those tokens. Now in this case, if you want to change your token, you'll be able to see them in the shelf here under tokens. As you can see, I only have the top hat, but if you have other tokens in your account, you just need to select a specific token and you'll be able to equip that specific token. As you can see, the section here, it says equipped. So if the token is not yet equipped on your account, just click on the equip button that you see at the bottom section of your screen and you'll be able to equip that. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.